Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to take the input from the user and what are the methods are there to take the input. Like we need, if we want to enter the dynamic inputs like age, name or anything, if we want to enter that one, then what are the things we need to mention? Those things we are going to learn in this class. If we want to take the input from the user, then we are going to make use of the class called as a scanner. In the scanner class we are having the different methods and we are going to use that methods, and we can take the input from the user, like we can take the name or we can take the phone number or we can take age or we can take any strings. Like that we can take any input from the user by using some of the methods that are present in the scanner class. It is belongs to the java.util package and it can be imported using import java.util.scanner. Let's see how we can do that one, how we can import the scanner class and how we can create the scanner object. Let's get started. Java class already I have started. Then click on class, then give the class name. I will take input from user. Then click on public static void main. See here, if we want to use that scanner class, first we need to create the object of that class. How means, see here, scanner scan equal to new scanner. Here system.in. Okay, see here how we can create an object of the scanner class means scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Scanner means this is the class name, scanner is the class name and sc is the object name. This is the object name sc. You can give anything like scan or scanner also you can give, but both should be not same. You can give any different name. Sc equal to new means it is a creating the new object. It is an indication of we are creating the new object. Then this is a scanner class, and system.in means input stream, like you are entering an input right from the keyboard. This is the input stream indication. Okay, then after creating an object, then we need to import this one. See here it is showing an error. This is import scanner means first, then we need to import the scanner. How means import java.util.scanner. See here the error is gone, right? Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. This is the object we are creating. This is importing means we are importing the scanner class. This is belongs to the java.util package. Then this is how we can importing and creating an object. Let's see if we want to take the name from the user, how we can do that one. See here, I will give one sentence. Enter your name. Then here what we will take, we will take sc dot next line we will take. Then we are storing this one in one variable called as name. It is of the type string. See here, scan dot next line. This is the one of the method that is present in the scanner class. Next line, why we use this method means if you want to take the string, that is like if you want to take more than one word, like for example let's take my name. Okay, Misbah space Tabassum, right? If you want to take the full name like Misbah space Tabassum, after space also we need to take that word, right? Misbah space is there, after the Tabassum is there, so after space one word is there, we need to take that one also. So for that one we are using the next line. Okay, then we will print that one. See what we will get. Sys out name. Save that one and run. Show use console. Okay, enter the name Misbah space DA system. See here, Misbah Tabassum, right? If you enter just next, what you will get, let's see. Enter your name Misbah Tabassum. Let's see, just Misbah we will get. If we taken just next method, then we will get only one method. It will stop fetching the data from, means when you get a space, right, that time it will be stop fetching, means you are fetching your name here, right, so it will be just fetch this one. When you get an space, it will be stop fetching and it will show just Misbah. Okay, this is the main difference between next and next line. If you want to print the entire line or more than one word, if you want to take, then make use of next line. If you just want one word, means make use of next. Okay, we will take next line. Okay, then if you want to take the age, then what you will use means int age equal to sc dot next int, then print that one age. See, we will run the program. Let's enter this one. Then okay, you need to take the, okay, then age is 23. Then see here 23. This is about how we are going to take the methods and how we are going to do this one. I will show you one more thing. Let's take, if you are taking a age first, I will remove this sentence. Then I will enter here, enter your name. I will remove this one. Okay, then we will remove this part also. Then here let's take, you are entering an age. 1 second, I will give one sentence. This is out. Enter your age and your full name, and next we will give your city. Okay, we are taking an age and student here, we are taking an name here. Okay, then we will take one more thing, city. Okay, here we will give one sentence here, age is, full name is, then okay, here age, right, age, then here name, then space, city, name is plus city. See here, one thing I'm trying to explain here, you will get one problem sometimes when you use something like in a flow. I will show you what you will face an issue. See here, you are entering, right, you are giving an age 23, then you need to enter the name, right. I will enter Misbah, then enter. See here, only two things, one more thing we need to enter here, right, city we need to enter. Why it is skipping and giving directly an input before taking the input? Here we are getting output, right, age is 23, full name is, here space we are getting and nothing we are getting here, name we are not getting, and city name is Misbah we are getting. Why this problem is happening means, here we can see that if you are using a next int, if you are trying the next line, means you are using the next int, and after that immediately you are using the next line, it may skip your input because of the buffer issue. Means sometimes if you take next int followed by the next line, then next line will be get skipped because of the new line character. I will do one thing, I will remove this part. Okay, then remove this complete part, then save and run. See what you will get, 23. See here, it is not taking. If you are making use of next int, after that if you are using the next line, then the next line may get skipped because of the new line character left in the buffer. You are having the new line character, that's why it is getting skipped. So if you don't want to skip that part, then use one more thing like sc dot next line, make use of this one and see what happened. I will run this one. See here, age is 23 and Misbah. See here, it is asking for input, right? See, you will get now age is 23, full name is Misbah Tabassum. See, like that you are getting an output and it is taking an input completely, it is taking an input from the user. So if you want to use the next line, means if you want to make use of next int, after that immediately if you want to use the next line, then make use of this one, sc dot next line, so that you will not skip any input. Okay, this is the main thing. Then after that, use one thing, means you are using the scanner object, right? So use sc dot close, because you are using an scanner class and you are creating an object of that one, so that after you are using completely, make use of sc dot close. If you don't use, then also your program will be run. But sc dot close, this is the closing of your scanner object and scanner class. So this is the good way of your programming. And if you are a programmer, then you should be a good programmer. If you use this one, then it is the good programming skills, and closing of resources is the best way of any programmer. So this is how we are going to do this one. You can use anything, like if you want to take the phone number, or if you want to take anything, you can use the different methods present in the scanner class. See, some of the methods that are present in the scanner class is next int, integer input. If you want to take the integer input, make use of the next int. And if you want to take the float as the input, next float. Single word input, next. Whole line input, next line. Then double value, then next double. Boolean, next boolean. These are some of the methods present in the scanner class. This is about how we can take the input from the user, and how we can create an object, and some of the methods. And most importantly, you will get an error, or you will get some of the confusion, that when you enter, and it will not ask you to enter the input directly, it will give a output, because you are using the next line. Next line means you are using the next int. After that, immediately if you are using the next line, that time you will face that phase. That time you need to make use of this one, next line. So this is the most important part. You should remember everything. See you in the next. If you have any doubt, comment below. See you in the next. Thank you.